Let's see what's going on in the world of tech today. What? Samsung about to cancel the Galaxy? No, what? I gotta call Samsung. What in the world? Oh no. Oh, say it ain't true. Oh, it's true. Man, let me call Samsung right now. Hello? Samsung! Samsung! Bruh! Once a no user, always a no user. What are we gonna do? I know I was hard on you about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but bruh, man, you ain't gotta quit. The foldables are the future, but bruh, not the Note. Get rid of the S line. And then just lower the price on the Note. That's all you had to do. I can't stand it here no more. Listen. YouTube! Samsung! Unfortunately, you guys, these rumors or these rumblings that we've heard over the last year or two might actually become a reality in 2021, which is highly, highly unfortunate. But honestly, you guys, we're gonna go over this. There's been a couple of moves that Samsung has made that have actually hinted and given a lot of validity to this argument. And unfortunately, we might have seen in the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the very last Galaxy Note. Now, this breaks my heart. I'm an extreme Note user. Once a Note user, always a Note user. I say that over and over. And people know the truth. Like, I'm an Apple user. Like, I use Apple products primarily, but every year when the Galaxy Note comes out, I break up the monotony of the Apple ecosystem to get the Samsung Galaxy Note. Also, you know, I'll get the S and then this here Z Fold, which we got to talk about this because this has a lot to do with it. Galaxy Note 10 Plus and so forth. And obviously, you know, I do the Pixels and everything, but there's only a couple of Android phones that'll pull me away from my Apple ecosystem. That's the Galaxy Note and the Google Pixels. But I'm a huge fan. It's like my favorite phone, and it's highly, highly unfortunate to me and to you, because I know you're a Galaxy Note user if you're watching this video right now, that we have to find another way. We actually have to look for a different smartphone, you guys. What? Now, one of the rumors is that on the Galaxy S21, there's gonna be a version with an S Pen. And this is going to overtake the Galaxy Note. We're gonna talk about where the Galaxy Note team is being shifted and where they're gonna put their focus at. But let's look at some of the key hints that Samsung has given us as to this move. It's been right in front of our eyes in broad daylight and we had no clue. Seriously though, wow. The number one hint that the Note was gonna go away was how they kind of like stopped developing the Note, and you saw the S line get a huge development. Last year with the Galaxy S20 Ultra and then the Note 20 Ultra, we saw absolutely no separation, like none. Other than that the camera on the Galaxy Note 20 was improved. It was just an improvement on the camera that they messed up on the S20 Ultra. But there's absolutely no distinct features. Even before that, on the S10 and the Note 10, the separation was like this. Samsung has been developing their S line to overtake the Galaxy Note line. They wanted the line to be that slim so that you can say, what's the point of getting a Note? I can get an S, and then if they put a pen on the Galaxy S, and so many people have said this in the comment section, the Note is nothing more than the Galaxy S20 whatever with a S Pen, or a Galaxy S with an S Pen. You know, I didn't want to see it because I'm a Note user. You gotta put the Note in the name. Samsung, can we do a Galaxy S21 Note? It gotta say Note. Note or nothing, man. That was a move, I think, purposely, so that when they do give it, like, you know, I mean, you just be like, well, I'm not missing anything. They gave me the S Pen on the S line. I think that's what they're going for. Another thing that Samsung found out the hard way, which is one of my biggest complaints about this S20 Ultra, is price. Now, the funny thing is the S20 Ultra was priced ridiculous too. So Samsung, let's bring that price down. We're in the middle of a pandemic and they're starting to realize that the want or need to spend a ton of money on a smartphone isn't so much there. But there's a catch to that, because the rumor is that Samsung has allocated their Galaxy Note team to work on the foldables, developing these Galaxy Z Folds and, V Fold. I've said this time and time in the past, foldable phones are the future. I'm super excited about them and everything, but I didn't want it to come at the expense of my Galaxy Note. Selfishly, I will say that. There's also a rumor that they're gonna try to develop an S Pen that will work with foldable devices. Now that, I'm pretty sure that's a ways away, because we all know that the softness of these displays, they're not gonna put up with a S Pen. But maybe they'll come out with some type of special pen, I don't know. We gotta see how that works. But I've seen it in my comment section that with the S20 Ultra, when it released, everybody was hype about the Galaxy Z Fold 2. It stole the audience, stole the show. Even at its expensive $2,000 price tag. And I think that helped them make the decision even more. And I understand. We weren't impressed with this Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Even me as a Note user, this is an amazing phone. Don't get it twisted. But, as far as in progression from the Note 10 Plus, it wasn't much. So I wasn't as impressed with that. But hey man, did Samsung intentionally kill the Galaxy Note series? Now that I think about it, they may have. We are at this point where it looks like the focus, we've seen it, reports, the focus is gonna be foldable phones. And the Note is gonna get moved out. Like Samsung, number one, Samsung has way too many phones. They got the A-line, S series, they do fan editions. Like they just popping them out, man. The one chick on the block, they got like mad kids. That's Samsung. Her name should be Samsung. At the end of the day, man, it's highly unfortunate for this news. It's highly unfortunate for us Galaxy Note users. I guess the silver lining is a foldable phone, and the fact that they have ambitions to have an S Pen that's capable of being used with the foldables eventually. That's dope news. I guess we'll hold on to that and hope. And we'll see how it goes when they put a S Pen inside of a Galaxy S21. I still feel I don't know how to feel about this, Samsung. You know what I mean? Honestly, I don't know. I'm like, my heart. I'm a Galaxy Note user to the core. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a Galaxy Note 21. So don't lose hope just yet. We might still see a Galaxy Note 21 next year, or we might not. I'm setting the stage for my people to know, my Galaxy Note users, you guys, us. We may or may not see a Galaxy Note 21. But even if we do see a Note 21, they might announce that this is the last Galaxy Note device. And that's gonna be a sad day in the smartphone era. But honestly, with the way things are going right now, they gotta get that price down. You should create the last Galaxy Note 21, make it the fan edition, make it feature packed, and make it a bang for buck pricing. We've seen other manufacturers shift their price model. They were able to be embraced even within the pandemic. And I think Samsung has to do that. But it's gonna be hard with foldables because those have to cost a lot. They still haven't been normalized. A lot of things to think about over there at Samsung headquarters. A lot of things to think about here for us users, but I'm just telling you guys now so you guys get prepared to figure out, whether you're going, you're jumping ship from Samsung, you're going to stick it out with the S21 with an S Pen, you're looking forward to the Samsung foldables, or you're looking elsewhere. Either way, it's unfortunate, but it might be true. My name is CJ. This is CJ Unplugged. I'm still CJ Knows Tech, baby, but I'm unplugging. What does that mean, CJ? I'll tell you in a video in the future, man. Y'all gotta wait. There's a lot of secrets in that.
Samsung, you can't do this. You can't get rid of the Note, man. I had to keep it together for my video, but man, I don't know how I'm gonna go on. Man.